Eating time. But before at eating time, oh, what is this? Oh, I'm so excited na. Thank you. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Pero magkain sa. Kaon sa. Bago magkuhan. Yan ako ni pakita sa akong family. Oh, what is this? Huh? Baliktad. After how many years? Yes, hello. Today is the unboxing time, so let's go to the world. Let's unboxing the unboxer. As you can see, yes. Alright. Okay, no problem. Okay. Asa ba ito yung unboxing? Tara. Ada. Smart mat. Able to time from here. Yes. Wow. Wow, finally came to the world. Let's go. Finally. Pizza finally. Ito. O dahil niya ang libungan sa ito, ano? This is the warranty card. Okay. Yahoo! After long time, 2011 pa ko nagangada ng muna, di ba? Ano siya tigto? Di ba ka, di ba ng mic na ito? Yes, this is it. Of course, this is the one. What it is? The camera itself. Here. And accessories. Accessories. Osmo. And selfie stick. Tapos, wala na sulod. Wala na. Hindi na. Wow. The magnetic field. Okay. Charger. Wow, what is this? Sticker? What is that? Memory card? Tan. Wala mo tayo energy ka na eh. What? The case only? Scam? What it is? Scam? Wait! Tighten the lens protected cover. Wow! After long time, I cannot believe it. Ano di pakita diya sa video? Ano battery niya? Abli na niyo. Kasi ba abli? Tara. O pa man na full cake. Wow. And then we have to put this battery here. Video na?
Wala. Gusto na ka video na natin.
Akan ni? English. Yung mga instruction. Okay. So, blah. Mga instruction na. Yo, hindi. Eh? 10 ka, di ba? 10, 14, right? 48 megapixel, goodness. See if you can see.
Eh, kapal.
Wala man. Sa mga kapagay. this is it.
Ayun, hanap.
Selfie lang. World tour. Okay, finally I bought. No, I did not bought. My wife bought this fantastic camera in the world. And overall, I am super happy and really, I don't know. I like it really. See, you can see we have some kind of coordination here. And nice. Kaya na siya yung mic. Na siya yung mic available in the market. Ang inaw. Grabe. Overall is nice. This one. This device is very fantastic. Hello, this is a test. It's a test. Wow. Walk and talk. Taas ang haba. Gaan siya and very nice. Walk siya. Ngit-ngit. Maskin sa ngit-ngit. Kaya maklaro gyapon siya. It's very nice. Super nice. I can't wait to Friday. Friday, then we will make some nice intersection. Kumusta mga kaibigan? Okay ba kayo riyan? Did you track me? Are you sure or no? Otherwise, I will move from here and move from there. What to do? Hello, so try natin tong 4K 30 frames per second. Ay tayo magtutoothbrush and everything. Swipe to unlock daw. Wala naman tayo. Yeah, tayo natin siya swipe to unlock. So, tingnan natin yung ating ay magtutoothbrush. Ganda ka sa camera mo. Tayo mag-toothbrush and then everything. Ito ay ginagawa natin ito sa which is good and good night. Good morning pala sa ating lahat. Ni hao. Good morning, ohayo gozaimasu. As you can see, bumili kami ng Action 5 Pro nung nakaraang araw, tapos kahapon ay dumating. Now, nag-unboxing kami kagabi and then really enjoy it nicely. ng aking asawa. Nakikita talaga ng aking asawa na masaya-masaya talaga ako. Anyway, let's jump into it. Then I want to show you something, the footage of this. Wow. Napakasaya. Ang ganda ng lugar. Anong oras na? Anong oras na? Ang ganda. Oh, what the? Ito yung araw-araw na dinadaanan ko. Napakaganda, di ba? Tapos ito, tingnan nyo, bumili combo pack. Combo yung binili ko. See? Napaka-easy lang yung mount na agad natin. And then walking track tayo dito. Ayan, ang taas, ang haba. Hindi ang taas, ang haba. Ang ganda talaga ng camera. Kailangan ko pa isaksak dito yung aking mic na Holy Land Lark A1. Ito siya. Oh, ang ganda no. Oh, ang ganda yan. Ito yung araw-araw ako dumadaan dito. Ang ganda ng view. Napakaganda talaga. As in. Anyway, thank you very much. Pinakita ko lang yung ating quality ng ating video. Wala pa itong memory card, pero okay lang. Ano pala itong memory card niya yung mumurahin. Pero we'll see. Day off kami weekend. Magde-day off kami ngayong week. And then I will check the quality of the camera and everything. Sana makabili kami. Okay? Thank you very much. And I will see you very soon. I don't know when soon. Ay, ang ganda talaga ng Action 5 Pro. Bye-bye and see you na lang po later. Thank you very much. Goodbye.